My name is Andrea Müller. I bring the navigational skills to the team.
My name is Elena Kintzel. I have off-roading experience.
We have the skill and the mindset to have a great experience and enjoy the rally.
Feeling confident that we can succeed in the rally after this.
Line close-up without grappling.
Remember about the things that we learned.
Also about feeling confident in our skills after this training week.
We did some mapping. I realized that highlighting the latitude and longitude helps me a lot. You need to be confident in what you're doing because you don't have a chance to take out Google Maps and see if you're right.
Because you need to have that trust that what you did is right, you also need to be better in figuring out that what you see on the map is actually what you see in real life.
So, surprise, in the morning we got out, we saw the car and there was a flat tire. So we had to change the tire.
One of the first things was actually working with the transfer case and getting to know what does it mean to be in too high, for low. I was like, there is no too low. Now, how do you manage that? When do you use which setting?
Then after that, we headed out. We learned a lot of options that the car is offering us to handle these trails now.
Driving up the sandy ground has turned out to be harder than I expected. Going up the Dune Hill was super fun experience today, especially when there were some bumps in the sand that I did not really see well. So we did some flying there. That was pretty fun and pretty exciting, I would say.
And a little bit scary on the way. We learned how to get a stuck car out.
Go, more.
Also used our winch.
If the sun is shining on you and you're in the middle of a hot day and you have these tiny shovels that you're using, it can actually be pretty energy consuming, I would say. I feel like in recovery, everything is hard labor. We crawled up the first hill. We had a great outlook over the surroundings and thought that we're planning our route. We wrote everything down. We thought we know exactly where we're going to go, where to turn right. And then the second thing came up, a street that we did not plan to be there. So the map did not show what we thought it was going to show. So it is actually pretty time consuming when you're lost and don't know where you are exactly on the map. I feel like it's a little bit like a treasure hunting map.
I would hope for better maps. Also getting used to the vehicle and the sounds of the vehicle, because sometimes it's not easy to decide if we are still doing great or if we are kind of punishing the vehicle, which we don't want to do.
Okay. I think we can really be proud of ourselves if we are still going to talk to each other after this, because it's going to be a lot of spending time with each other in a really small space, but also just being proud of actually having done it, the whole experience.
And being able to enjoy it.
Yeah.
And
having fun on the way.
Traction words! And I think one thing that we focused on is taking care of your team partner.
Yeah.
That's so important during that stressing rally situation, but I think it's also good to have that back in normal life and take care of the people that are around you.